Today we're checking out the MMD Radiator cover in matte carbon fiber for the 2024 and newer Mustangs. If you're wanting to elevate your engine bay's look with a slick, modern style while keeping things lightweight and high quality, this cover is a smart underhood upgrade that is definitely worth checking out. This radiator cover offers a premium visual upgrade. Its carbon fiber construction features a refined matte finish that instantly enhances your engine bay with a clean, performance-minded aesthetic. It rides that sweet spot between stealth and sophistication, giving your Mustang a just right street styling without any extra flash. Plus, the cover is lightweight yet very rigid, so you're adding style without any of that unnecessary weight. This is crafted from real carbon fiber, and this cover delivers both durability and rigidity far above traditional plastic panels. It's precision molded to align seamlessly with the Mustang's factory mounting setup, enabling a hassle-free swap that fits like the OEM part. The matte finish resists glare and light scratches, and it's going to preserve that stealth look under the hood, even with some bright underhood lighting. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid to upper $500 price range. It is a premium part that commands a premium price. Considering the full carbon fiber build, custom styling upgrade, and a perfect underhood integration, it's a pretty strong value for a standout mod. The installation is going to be straightforward, so it's rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 10 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a clip remover tool. Today we're installing a carbon rad cover on our Mustang, so let's get started. So we've got 8 push clips on our rad cover that we need to remove. I've got a clip remover tool. We're just going to get under them, pop them out. Now I'm missing one here, but you do also have one right in front of your washer fluid. And then with all those clips removed, we're just going to lift up and remove our rad cover. So now we're just going to do the opposite. We're just going to lay this down, line it up with our push clip holes, and then just pop all these back into place. Now once again, I'm missing that one last clip, but you will have one there as well. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the MMD radiator cover in matte carbon fiber for your 2024 and newer Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.